Hello guys, good morning and good afternoon and good day to all of you. We are here now at Mawa, Mawa Sky. Para makita po ninyo, no? Makita ko ng train. May wifi. There. Guys, pupunta tayo dun.
Next time. Nilalak. Ay, voice over ka lalak.
Punta tayo dun sa taas ha.
Side ko ba?
Sige na, mauna ka na. Si YT, yung aking pangulong anak, si Michael, at saka si Jai, ayun, yung aking bunso. Wala yung panganay namin. So, we are here now. Bakit kami sa pinakataas? There you go, guys. Go, yung mga aso pwedeng pwedeng pakawalan at para dumumi.
Poodle ka ulit. Lagi ka naman.
Malapit siya mo, Mawa Sky.
Color.
Kahit minsan parang ang bigat, parang wala nang patutunguhan. Pero bawat bang ay may saysay, basta puso'y di bibitaw.
Meron pa din. Kita mo yun? Haba yan ah. Hanggang dun yun kilo. Paikot. Oo, paikot. Oo, ikot tayo. Anong dam yan? Eto, Kel, yung soccer football pala. Kel, Giant yung soccer football field. Ayan. Yan. Hindi, bukas na yan. Oo. Let's go to the soccer football field. Dito sa Moa Sky. Yan o. Yan po yung pwedeng maglaro rito ng soccer football. There you guys. Yan. This one. So hindi lang tayo pwedeng pumasok sa loob kasi this is a, you know what, merong bakod there para makita ninyo. Yan guys.
Hindi pa yata bukas to eh.
Bukas na to, Jay.
Kapag may naglalaro.
Oo.
Beauty.
Oo, kuha natin yan. Guys, yan. Meron ditong MOA Amphitheater, no? MOA Sanctuary. And of course, merong mga restroom. There you guys. See? There. That's my daughter. Go to amphitheater. Ah.
Pwede kayo magdala ng food dito.
Hanggang 9:30 lang pala. Binubuksan ito at pinabababa na lahat ng tao rito sa MOA Sky. So until 9:30 lang. So andito na tayo ngayon sa amphitheater. Papakita ko sa inyo. So this is the amphitheater guys ng MOA in the Sky. So right there. So adjacent lang siya ng football pitch. MOA Po Park, North Sky Plaza. Yan. Ito na yung amphitheater. Tingnan natin. So marami tayong mapapasyalan dito. That's the MOA Amphitheater guys. Okay, right there. Andun sila oh. There. Oh. See the amphitheater. Right there. This is good for the concert. Kung meron mong mga concert. Right there. So guys, ikot na rin kami. Mula dito sa amphitheater. Dito na kami ngayon sa isang side ng MOA. MOA Sky, which is the MOA football pitch. Yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina earlier. So ito yung pinaka main entrance niyan doon.
Ha?
Napakalawak nito kung paano napakalawak ng MOA. Ganon din ka ano no. Kalawak yung kanilang MOA Sky. Yan, ito yung pinaka entrance ng MOA football pitch. Yan. Right there guys, yan. See, meron kang airplane.
Marami pa siguro doon sa
Si Kuya, pakawain natin si Kuya sa vlog natin. Kuya, hello. Shout out Kuya. So napakaganda rito guys, maraming mapapasyalan talaga. So and then yung nakikita niyo yung mga glass na yan, that is a solar powered solar panel. There. Yan guys, meron din ditong isang part sa taas na kung saan ay MOA Sanctuary. This is the MOA Sanctuary guys. So we will go inside sa MOA Sanctuary. Okay, we will go inside ha. So there we go. This is the MOA Sanctuary guys. So this is a holy place for the Catholic believers. There you see guys, there's a center side in the MOA Sanctuary wherein you can sit down. There's a little fountain right there in the middle. And you see guys, there's a lot of images of Virgin Mary. Let me show you. Then if you want to push this one, you will see inside closed, so might be at the other side. See guys, so it's a bit of parang yung hugis niya ay parang hugis mata. So this is the MOA Sanctuary. See, this is a very good place for, you know what, if you want to have some peaceful time at the middle. Okay, right there guys. Let me show you this one. This exhibit features various titles of Mary, our constant companion in our pilgrimage to Jesus, our true hope. In the Bull of Indiction for the Jubilee year, the late Pope Francis reminds us that in the Blessed Virgin, we see that hope is not naive optimism, but the gift of grace amid the realities of life. In the travail of that sorrow offered in love, Mary became our mother, the mother of hope. That's the exhibit right here. Okay. Mga ka-journey, hanggang doon na lang yung ating vlog ha. So, naikot na rin naman namin yung Mawa Sky. So, naikot na rin namin kahit pa paano. So, marami kang mapapasyalan dito and you will enjoy the scenery over the Manila Bay and the scenery along the buildings of Mawa. Okay, so of course dito sa taas ay napakaganda rito, masarap, masaya. Okay, so bye bye.